In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom text animations in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll know how to add text, apply entrance, hover and click animations, explore advanced effects, and confidently publish your changes. First, open your Wix account and head to Wix Studio. Select the website you want to work on and click Edit to enter the Wix Studio editor. Give the page a moment to load so all the design tools are ready. Now add your text. In the editor, click Add, the Quick Add option, or the plus icon. Both work. Choose a text element that fits your content. Title for headings or paragraph for regular copy. Click the new text box and type your content like add a title, then remove any placeholder text you don't need. Using titles for headings and paragraphs for body text keeps your design consistent and helps with readability. With your text selected, look to the right side control bar and open Animation and Effects. This panel is your control center for all motion settings attached to that text element. Start with an entrance animation. In the entrance section, pick a style that suits your brand and layout, such as reveal, slide, bounce, or fade. Entrance animations play when the page loads or when the element scrolls into view, depending on the effect you choose. Keep it smooth and purposeful. Subtle movement often looks more polished and won't distract from your message. Next, set up a hover animation. In the same panel, go to hover, add a trigger, and choose hover. Select an effect like expand, shrink, skew, rotate, or move, and adjust speed or direction if those options are available. Hover animations work best as gentle feedback, signaling that text is interactive without making it hard to read. If you want an extra touch, add a click animation. In the click section, add a trigger and choose click. Pick an effect such as twist, fade, pulse, or move. This plays when a visitor clicks the text. Great for call to action lines or interactive headings. Use it sparingly so the site stays accessible and focused. You can also explore optional scroll, loop, or mouse effects. Scroll effects trigger when the element enters the viewport. Loop keeps a subtle motion going like a gentle wiggle. Mouse effects respond to pointer movement. Combine these thoughtfully to avoid overwhelming visitors. If you need more advanced styles, open the app market in Wix Studio and search for text effect tools like text effects, text animation, curve text, circle text, or mega text animator. Install the app you prefer and follow its on-screen instructions to apply specialized animations to your titles. When you're ready, click preview to test how everything looks in a browser. Tweak the animation type, speed, and triggers as needed. Finally, click Publish in the top right to update your live site. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.